I'm taking a. What do we think? Safe conditions?
It's very safe. Yeah, I mean, there's so much powder. No matter what happens,
Yeah, you get flung. It's still fine.
no fall damage.
Hey, dude. There's no way this is a good idea. I'm gonna fuck him up so bad. Three, two, one. Woo! Three, two, one. Three, two, one. This side. Fucking eat. Do it. Do it right here. Go. Pull. Pull. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Sick. Ah, come on. No send. What do we think? Worth it?
Definitely worth it. Woo. Yeah, I'm so cold.